How to clear app cache on Android. This process helps free up storage space and can improve app performance. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all your installed applications. Following that, you'll see a list of all apps on your device. Tap on the app you want to clear cache for. Now, once you're on the app info page, tap on Storage. Moving forward, you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Afterwards, the cache will be cleared instantly, and you'll see the cache size go down to 0. In addition to that, if you want to clear cache for multiple apps, go back to the apps list and repeat the process for each app. Once you've cleared cache for your desired apps, you'll notice more available storage space on your device. Subsequently, clearing cache doesn't delete your personal data like login information or app settings, so it's completely safe. Moreover, for a quicker method, you can also go to Battery and Device Care in Settings, tap on Storage, then tap on Clean Now to automatically clear cache for all apps. And that's it. If this helped you free up space on your device, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and make sure to hit the bell icon for future updates. See you in the next one.